Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. Today, we have a Landrover. You just get the car. Is the car that we are talking about it, as you see here. That's beautiful, nice car. He just got this car because I see there is a plate and other stuff there. But when he get this car, also look at the key. This is the key he got in it. So always having a spare key is a peace of mind. And we have this, we need to add this one on it. So let's see if this 6IM will be able to do it for us. Where we're gonna go, Imo, and then accept. And then here, go by VIN number, auto detect. Some cars, they take the programming, and some cars, they don't. But we try to see if we'll take it. Add a key. We already have a working key. This is the VIN number, 2006-7. Say OK. It decode the VIN. From 2005 to 2009 export. I say yes. And now from here, it will take us to auto scan. Please turn the ignition on. The key is on. As usual, it will take from a minute to 3 minutes based on the speed of the computer. You see, this is very fast. Immobilizer matching. Click here. Key write. Start key writing. Don't know what that means. This is maybe on. I don't need this one. This one, I don't want it. Go to immobilizer. Add a key. I say at least one learning key. Go back. Say no, I want to check the other one. Add a key. I'm gonna say no. Let me go to the first one. Immobilizer car 91. Information. Okay. Let me turn the key off to leave this key on. Let me see what's gonna happen. Say okay. At least one insert learning key. Turn the ignition on. Key is on. Learn. Do you want to learn next key? Say yes. Please insert the learning key into the ignition. Do not turn the ignition on. We say insert the learning key. Say okay. Uh-oh. Turn the ignition on. I don't know why he do that. Say okay. Yes. Please insert the learning key into the ignition. Do not turn the ignition on. Okay, I'm gonna take this one out. Keep this one here. Try to do this one. Leave it there. Oh my goodness, I don't know why. The car is start. It said fail, but I don't know why he said that. Turn it off. See there? You walk. So let me this you. And start working. Look here. Look. This one work. What about the other one? So all of them they working. I'm very happy that this one work and the other one also work. But the way it say when you try to program it, you say insert the key in the ignition, the learned key that means it's kind of funny, and leave the key off. So learning key, that means I don't know which one, but it's kind of confusing. Please, if you have any idea, give us an explanation, and you can follow back this video slowly and compare what we did wrong and what we did right. Okay, so you're gonna follow. When you come here, you're gonna use this one for 2006 to 2009, 5 to 9. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you for watching Mobile or Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe, share, and like. I'll see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, United States of America, Brooklyn, New York. Thank you.